gutter rat, loser of all losers, Sneeze. They pay you $7,000. Fact. Man, get the F out of here. Ain't nobody paying you but no $7,000 for that garbage. Your life ain't even worth $7,000. Let alone that disgusting crap you call rapping. Bro, you sound like you don't got no front teeth. You're trying to rap, but you can't get it all the way out because you don't got no fronts. Bro, like I said, how much is Social Security paying you? Because you are disabled. You gotta be disabled to think that's rapping, bro. Come on. Hey, you talking about pulling up on me? Gutter rat. Bro. I will F you up, bro. Don't ever say that again to me. Bro. Don't do that. Don't do that, bro. I'm being all serious. I ain't no mother effing 12-time Mike Tyson champion. But I'll tell you what. When somebody bring a fight to me, I bring it back. And if you truly trying to bring it to me, about time. Because how long have I been saying I put up $1,000 to meet you anywhere, anyhow? Only place I won't go is probably to your boyfriend David Duke's house. I can't do that, bro. You know, all y'all racist pricks. You know, that's the only way y'all probably can beat somebody was by jumping them. But anyway, don't ever do that again, bro. Because, like I said, I'm only doing this YouTube crap to make sure your butt get out of YouTube. So once again, get your sorry butt, worthless butt, coward butt off of YouTube for good this time. Don't do none of that corny, I'm leaving YouTube, YouTube is corny. You are the reason YouTube is corny. Bro, you are terrible. You are the reason that YouTube was terrible. You, bro. Nobody else but you. You are terrible. You have no friends, no money, no place to stay. You living in a freaking hotel room. A hotel room, calling it yours. It's only yours until, 11 o'clock? You know, it's like, come on, man. Are you that dumb to really call a hotel room yours? And then you dumb it up even more when you be like, oh yeah, you know, pretty sweet here. Pretty sweet here. It's pretty sweet. Man, that tells me right there too that, bro, you don't got no you don't even know what a freaking real house party look like, let alone yours. You have to be pretty dumb and stupid for your family to disown you. You understand that, bro? That is like terrible. You understand that? You got that little faggoty dad that think touching boys is okay, which is disgusting. And they still kick you out? Wow, bro. Do you understand how bad that is? That disgusting of a family that you call a family kicks you out. Wow. You know how crazy that is? You know how crazy that is, bro? Wow. That is unreal, bro. You are dumb and terrible, bro. I've never, ever witnessed something like this in my life until you came upon. You gonna get on here this morning talking about YouTube is clown. Y'all playing around. You ain't coming on my site talking it's crazy. You know, YouTube corny. You worthless maggot. You literally is trying your hardest to act like you didn't say you was leaving. You didn't say you was going for good and you ain't coming back. You did it literally the next day. First of all, even the day you said it, you went off because you did your little corny Fight Club radio station. And then secondly, you come back the next day. Literally the next day. That's how worthless you are. You can't even do this right. Can't even do this right. Man. And another thing, bro. That's not working out doing one curl. And you didn't even do the curl correctly. You didn't even follow all the way through with the curl. Bro, stop. You're not. You are nothing. You are nothing. You are worth nothing. You are nothing. You was about as important as a mother effing maggot. You are worthless like a poop flavored popsicle. You, bro, and you don't make it funny. You don't even get it neither. You think you are, but bro, I am telling you this right now. Nobody likes you. You are a low life wannabe, tough guy, rapper, messiah. Here for women. Yeah. You here for women. Usually, a person say they here for a woman or they here to help this person, that person. Usually is a cool dude, nice person. You know, people like being around him and him or her and everybody gravitate to him. Bro. Really? Look yourself in the mirror. I know it's hard. That doing that creepy smile, that real creepy smile, because you probably worry about your teeth coming out or something. It is so creepy. It ain't even funny. Look yourself in that mirror. I know too, bro. It's hard. It's like sneeze, sneeze, bro. Ain't no woman coming near you, bro. You probably own an industrial size lotion. So you probably be whacking it so hard in that goddamn room. Whoa. Like I said, bro. You don't want that, bro. Don't say you want some of this, bro. Because I told you. I don't know if you believe me or not, but I am coming for you. I am going to get you. So be patient, because you're going to get this L good. Trust me. Real good. You're getting this L. Trust me, loser. Trust me. And once again, you better make sure the government give you your money for that insult of rapping you do. You know. You are good and terrible, man. I'll tell you what, bro. Ain't nothing you can do in rapping. Nothing. I don't even think you can, like, suck them off, all the rappers, because you're terrible, bro. Terrible. And once again, I'm gonna whoop your tail, bro. I'm gonna get it good. I'm gonna whoop you, bro. Real good.